Welcome back to Crafted Wood Studio. Today, we're diving deep into the art of incorporating nature into our wood projects. Have you ever thought about blending the breathtaking beauty of the outdoors with your craftsmanship? This concept isn't just for seasoned woodworkers, it invites anyone, whether you're just starting your woodworking journey or you're a seasoned expert, to explore new dimensions of creativity. Prepare to embark on an adventure filled with inspiration, practical tips, and techniques to help you infuse organic designs into your creations. Let's start by appreciating why nature serves as such a profound source of inspiration. The natural environment is rich with unique shapes, textures, and patterns that can be beautifully translated into your woodworking projects. Consider the gentle curves of a tree branch, the intricate patterns of wood grain, and the way light intricately dances on the surfaces of leaves. The possibilities the natural world offers can enhance your work and make it truly unique. Imagine strolling through a lush forest. As you wander, you become aware of the vibrant hues of leaves in various shades of green, the textured surfaces of tree bark, the distinctive knots in tree trunks, and the gentle flow of a sparkling river. Each of these elements can inspire your designs, encouraging you to capture that essence in everything from a rustic wooden table to a decorative piece or even a simple wooden spoon. Each project can narrate a story consistent with nature's beauty, fostering a connection between your craftsmanship and the natural world. Now that we're inspired, let's brainstorm some design ideas together. One fantastic way to incorporate organic designs is through the use of live edges. This technique preserves the natural shape of the wood, showcasing its original contours and celebrating the imperfections that make each piece unique. A live edge table can bring rustic charm to any space while drawing attention to the beauty of the tree from which it came. Just imagine a stunning centerpiece in your dining room, a table that tells the story of its origins, inviting every guest to marvel at its natural appeal. Another dimension to consider is the art of inlays. Picture a beautiful wooden tray adorned with a stunning floral design inlaid into its surface. You could use resin for the inlay, enabling you to create colorful and intricate patterns that mimic natural elements like flowers, rivers, or clouds. This method not only adds depth and visual interest to your projects but also allows for a high level of customization, making each piece simply special. What about adding textures? Texture can greatly enhance the tactile experience of your projects. Consider incorporating bark texture into your designs. By leaving the outer bark on some sections, you can create a striking contrast against the smooth, finished wood. This mix of textures highlights the innate beauty of nature and evokes tactile experiences that draw people in, enhancing their connection to your work. Now, you might wonder how to achieve these stunning designs. First, let's talk tools. You don't need an elaborate workshop to get started. Basic woodworking tools can suffice for many of these techniques. A jigsaw, chisels, and a rotary tool can be your best friends when creating organic designs that reflect nature's diverse beauty. If you're focusing specifically on inlays, precision tools for cutting and shaping will be essential. A scroll saw can be particularly useful for intricate designs, enabling you to create fine details that can elevate your project significantly. Taking the time to practice on scrap wood first is crucial, especially if you're new to the process. Practicing not only hones your skills but also builds your confidence in your abilities. Each cut you make teaches you something valuable, paving the way for even more ambitious projects in the future. When working with live edges, selecting the right wood is essential for achieving breathtaking results. Look for pieces that showcase unique patterns and natural shapes that can enhance your overall design. Once you've chosen your wood, you'll want to carefully cut and sand it to maintain those natural edges. Every piece of wood is unique. Embracing these differences can lead to remarkable creations. Finding inspiration in nature can be as simple as stepping outside. Take a leisurely walk in the park, visit a botanical garden, or browse through stunning photographs of beautiful landscapes online. What catches your eye? Is it the way light gracefully plays on the surfaces of leaves, or the intricate shapes of flowers in bloom? Taking note of these details can spark new ideas for your projects. Another fantastic source of inspiration is traditional woodworking styles from cultures around the globe. For example, Japanese woodworking often emphasizes simplicity and harmony with nature, focusing on creating aesthetically pleasing pieces that seamlessly blend into their surroundings. Delving into these styles can provide fresh ideas and techniques that elevate your own woodworking projects. If you want more specific inspiration, consider following nature-focused artists and woodworkers on social media platforms. Sites like Instagram and Pinterest are filled with stunning images and diverse ideas that can ignite your creativity and motivate you to explore new avenues in your craft. Don't forget to infuse your personal style into your projects. Incorporate elements that reflect your favorite experiences in nature. Perhaps you have a fondness for the ocean. Think about how sea-inspired colors, wave-like patterns, or textures could translate into your woodworking. Personal touches not only make your work more meaningful but also set it apart from others, allowing your individuality to shine through each piece. Remember, woodworking is as much about expression as it is about technique. Trust your instincts, take risks, and let your creativity flow unhindered. Each piece you create can be an opportunity to convey your unique perspective and connect your audience with the beauty of the natural world. As you explore these techniques, you'll find your own voice as a woodworker. As we conclude our exploration of incorporating nature into wood projects, I hope you feel inspired to try out these techniques. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. Whether you create functional items or artistic pieces, there's no limit to what you can achieve when drawing inspiration from nature. If you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us, helping us continue creating content for woodworking enthusiasts like you. Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. We would love to hear how you plan to incorporate organic designs into your own projects. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio. We have plenty more woodworking tips, techniques, and inspirations lined up just for you. Thank you so much for watching, and keep creating beautiful things with nature at your side. Happy woodworking!